Hi.
Hi.
I'm a future student at York St John's, and I'm just a little bit nervous because, like, how do you deal with making friends with people you live with?
So you're nervous about starting your first week at university? Don't worry, I 100% recommend going on Facebook and joining all of the WhatsApp and the Snapchat groups that are on there for your accommodation, any hobbies you might have. There's already WhatsApp groups that you can join and make new friends, so you can make plans before you even arrive at university.
I've never even thought of that. Oh, sorry. Also, I'm really worried about money because it's just such a lot of money at such a short time. How do I handle it?
Don't worry, 100% budget your finances. As soon as you get your student finance through, budget, take away your rent, figure out how much you'll have every week and stick to that budget as much as you can. I'd recommend giving yourself a little bit more for Freshers Week, and then you don't go completely crazy and end up splurging it all, and you still have money left for the rest of the year.
Oh, another thing, I'm just really worried like how overwhelming it's going to be. Like, I just feel like it's going to be all too much at once.
Don't worry, uni can be overwhelming, let's not lie. It may feel like it's all a bit too much at times, but YSJ offers so much support. There is always someone that you can go and talk to about any issues that you're having. And just remember, don't compare yourself to what you see online, because they're going to be showing a highlight reel. Everybody has ups and downs at uni.
Oh, do you have any tips for like cooking for myself, like, 'cause for the first time?
Before you get to uni, I definitely recommend going in your notes app and getting a few recipes down, get the ingredients that you need. Simple, easy and healthy recipes that will always be reliable, that you already know that you like. That way, when you do your first few shops at uni, you don't just end up buying a load of ingredients that go off that you never use because you didn't have a plan for them.
Oh, one thing as well, I've never been to a Freshers' Fair before, so what is it like? What is it?
A Freshers' Fair is a really, really good opportunity to get involved with the uni societies and the community and find people that have the same hobbies that you might have. So I definitely recommend have a look into the societies and the sports that university offers. YSJ's got them all listed out on their page, and have a bit of a game plan going into the Freshers' Fair. It really helps because it can be a bit overwhelming. There's so many different sports and societies, and there's so many people, they all want to talk to you, they all want to get you involved. So have a bit of a plan, and then you'll know what you're doing when you get in there.
Oh, last thing, do you have any like last minute tips?
For over summer, definitely I've got some tips for you. I'd say don't get too prepared. It's always good to be prepared, but don't overthink it. You will have a great time at university no matter where you go or what you do. But have a look maybe into your course information, your reading list, if that settles your unease. If possible, go and visit the uni town, go and visit the university, get a sense of what it will be like, but that's not necessary because you'll have so much time in your first few weeks to explore and get to know the city that you'll be living in. Plan what you can, stay open to what you can't, but most importantly, enjoy this time because it's going to be the best few years of your life.
Thank you, it's been really helpful.
You're welcome, don't worry.